Rise and shine. Time for my morning cup of joe. Look at that stain, and I just washed this mug. No need to panic. I know exactly what to do to get rid of the stain once and for all. I just need some liquid dish soap, lemon juice, baking soda, hot water, and a sponge. First, I'm adding a few squirts of lemon juice. Then I'm adding hot water into the mug to cover the entire stained surface. I'm leaving this to sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to weaken the stain. Once that's had a chance to sit, I'm pouring it out and creating a paste using about an inch of baking soda, a few squirts of liquid dish soap, and just a few drops of hot water. Once the paste is created, I'm using my sponge to scrub it into the stain, and voila! It's disappearing right before my eyes. Rinse the paste out and we're good to go. Now I can finally enjoy my cup of Java stain-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, there's so much more where that came from. Head over to ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.